Hi everyone. A few people in the comments on my other Wigan to Bolton electrification scheme videos have mentioned the track under the A6 road bridge at Westhoughton and how low it is. Now, I've actually gone back through the photo library on my phone and I found a few pictures that I took. To be honest, I've forgotten to take them and it just triggered a memory. So these are where the ballast trains were lined up at Westhoughton station in preparation for putting the ballast down on the new track. This picture here is taken from the A6 bridge looking towards the M61 motorway. So you can see the Bolton and Manchester bound track is actually just completely dug up on that. To get an idea of the depth, if you look at the wheels of the wagon, you can see from the existing track at that point how deep they actually did go down. Now this is looking the other way, this is looking back towards Westhoughton station, again from the A6 bridge. And you can get another idea of the depth of how low they went with the mini digger up against the side of the wagons in this picture here. Now this picture here is looking back towards the M61. So that's the Southport bound track that's dug up there. So I'm just looking on the pictures now and the dates on them. I can't remember exactly how long they took possession of the track for. It must have been over a complete weekend because I've got 3 different dates on the photos. This one here is looking towards Westhoughton. So again, that's the Southport stroke Wigan line that's dug up in this picture here. And job done on one side. This is looking towards Westhoughton, so that new section of track is a Wigan stroke Southport line. Like I said, I'd completely forgotten I'd taken these pictures until a few comments triggered the memory. So they must have done the Wigan stroke Southport line first. And looking the other way back towards the M61. So again, that new section on picture there is a Wigan or Southport line. So thanks for watching everybody. If you can, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thanks again everyone. Bye.